Let's go straight to the point. We have received a news from South Korea stating that Samsung is developing the Exynos 2400 chipset for the year 2024. Many people thought that Exynos chips would return to Samsung flagships, specifically the Galaxy S24 lineup, while others thought there was no chance at all that Samsung would use Exynos chips once more on their top-of-the-line devices given their poor performance and how well the Snapdragon chips produced by TSMC are working on the S23 lineup. Today, fresh inside information from reliable sources has surfaced, providing us a better understanding of the situation between the Exynos team and Samsung, as well as whether or not Exynos will be making a comeback with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These two studies come from TrendForce and Business Korea, respectively. They are both well-known individuals. And according to both of them, Samsung's MX division, also known as their mobile division, has approved the Exynos 2400 for mass manufacturing for use on the Galaxy S24 family of smartphones. Since everyone was pleased with the S23 Ultra's performance and battery life due to the Snapdragon chip, you may be wondering why they would want to utilize a chip that no one likes. It all comes down to Samsung's buying power, however. Samsung's buying power decreased after going all-in on the Snapdragon chip for the S23 range, according to Business Korea. Samsung was able to effectively bargain with Qualcomm and lower the unit price of Snapdragon chips since they used two chips for their flagships all these years. They were unable to do this with the S23 since they opted not to employ Exynos chips, giving Qualcomm the advantage in price negotiations. As a consequence, Samsung has to pay 77% more for the chips this year than they did last year. This decreased their profit margins, which is the main reason for bringing the Exynos 2400 back to the S24 range. Given the negative press Exynos has had over the years, Samsung would be smart to drop it and create their own chipset from scratch, which they are currently doing. However, avoid using Exynos 2400 on the S24 since this would just enrage consumers and reduce sales. Thank goodness. The source also notes that Exynos 2400 still exhibits heating difficulties, allowing Samsung to either utilize it sparingly, like they did with the S22, or not at all. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.